Today I'll teach you how to draw cute little kitten. Let's start by drawing two circles for the eyes. Now we'll draw two smaller circles inside. These are the eyeballs, the kitten. Now we are going to draw its face. That is a big circle surrounding the eyes. Tiny little nose and mouth. The mouth should be small compared to the eyes. And also the ears. They should be very small. Only then it will look like a kitten. Now let's use a pencil to draw its body. Make sure to draw the body a little smaller than the face so that it will look like a kitten. If you draw it larger than the face, it will look like a big cat. Now use the marker to draw its little hands. Darken the body using the sketch pen. Now let's draw its tail. I'm drawing few stripes in the tail. It's not quite necessary. You can draw if you like it. And now some stripes on its forehead. Let's draw the bell and the ribbon just to make it cute. And some mustache. That's it. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.